how about a power crisis? Can that happen, lack of electricity supply, like during peak demands during summer?
Well, it already happened, as you mentioned, in the 80s and 90s. Natatandaan ko pa nung time na yon, yung mga Filipinos, they will go to malls para magpalamig kasi napuputulan talaga ng kuryente for 8 to 12 hours.